Let's face it, attorneys today need the freedom to communicate with clients from anywhere using their favorite devices. RingCentral's cloud phone system allows attorneys to do just that, whether in office or on the go. A leading provider of phone systems to the legal industry, RingCentral transforms your smartphone into a high-functioning business tool and gives your law practice a competitive edge in client service, collaboration, mobility and billing. All without giving your personal phone number. The RingCentral mobile app allows you to use your smartphone as a business line that you can turn and off based on your preferred working hours. Talking and texting with your clients is just the beginning, as RingCentral's collaboration tools include video conferencing and file sharing from any device. Already have a business line? No problem. RingCentral can transfer your phone number from your previous provider to your RingCentral account. For attorneys that bill by the hour, RingCentral's integration with Time Miner ensures that no call or text is forgotten or left off of a client invoice. Time Miner's retroactive time capture technology enables attorneys to go back and find past billable calls, texts, and emails at the touch of a button. Whether you're a solo practitioner or a part of a firm, RingCentral and Time Miner can improve your client's experience, make communication easier, and ensure that no billable time slips through the cracks, all from your smartphone. There has never been a better time to work smarter and use technology to improve your bottom line. By embracing tech-enabled solutions presents an opportunity to surprise, delight, and engage prospective colleagues and clients alike. Maintain firm identity and lawyer productivity with tools you can use at home, the office, or the courthouse, all from your work phone number. To set up a demo, please click on my calendar button.